Ladies and gentlemen, let us now welcome the President of the Republic of Seychelles, President Dr. Patrick Herminie. President Dr. Patrick Herminie, Vice President of the Republic of Seychelles, Mr. Sébastien Pilet, Chief of Staff, Ms. Jennifer Veil, members of the press, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. And thank you all for your response, for your presence in witnessing the swearing-in ceremony of the Commission of Inquiry into the Civil Construction Company, CCCL, incident which occurred on the 7th December 2023. As promised by the President early this year in his presidential address, the Commission of Inquiry has been established to investigate the causes and sequence of events leading to the explosion, examine the adequacy and legality of the response by the authorities, provide clarity and accountability for affected residents, business, and the broader public, offer recommendations to prevent similar incidents, and to improve emergency preparedness. The Commission will be chaired by Justice Nicola Sharpe-Phiri. The members of the Commission are Mr. Roucou and Ms. Dora Zatte. Without delaying further, we shall now proceed with the swearing-in ceremony. I would like to invite the chairperson, Justice Nicola Sharpe-Phiri, to come forward to take the oath. And Mr. President, please come forward to witness. Thank you.
I, Justice Nicola Sharpe-Phiri, having been appointed under a commission issued by the President of the Republic and dated the 30th of March 2026, to be a commissioner of the Commission to inquire into the matters specified in the said commission, do swear that I will faithfully, fully, impartially, and to the best of my ability discharge the trust and perform the duties devolving upon me by virtue of the said commission. So help me God.
Thank you, Justice Nicola Sharpe-Phiri. The next member to be sworn in is Mr. Roucou. May I kindly invite Mr. Roucou to come forward to take the oath of Commissioner.
I, Roucou, having been appointed under the commission issued by the President of the Republic and dated on the 30th of March 2026 to be a commissioner of the Commission of Inquiry to the matters specified in the said commission, I do swear that I will faithfully and impartially and to the best of my ability discharge the trust and perform the duties developing upon me by the virtue of the Constitution. So help me God.
Thank you, Mr. Roucou. The next member to be sworn in is Ms. Dora Zatte. I now invite Ms. Dora Zatte to come forward to take the oath.
I, Dora Zatte, having been appointed under a commission issued by the President of the Republic and dated the 30th of March 2026, to be a commissioner of the Commission to inquire into the matters specified in that commission, do swear that I will faithfully, fully, impartially, and to the best of my ability discharge the trust and perform the duties devolving upon me by virtue of the said commission. So help me God.
Thank you, Ms. Zatte. Commission members, please join the President for a souvenir photo, followed by a group photo with the President and the Vice President. And with that, we conclude today's ceremony. Thank you all for your presence. Have a blessed day ahead.
So good morning. Good morning. Thank you. My name is Justice Nicola Sharpe-Phiri. I'm the Justice of the Court of Appeal. I'm from Zambia. We've just been sworn in for the commission, myself and Ms. Dora Zatte and Mr. Guy Roucou. And we've just been sworn in. We're about to go into a meeting now to receive our terms of reference for the commission. I am a Justice of Appeal. I've been in the legal profession for 33 years. So I've been in the legal sector. And yes, we're about to go receive our terms of reference, and we will give you more information on how the commission will operate. But my expectation is that as a commission, we will start with preparing our rules of procedure of how the commission will operate. We will set that down, we'll have it gazetted, and thereafter we will start the investigations, and we anticipate that we will have public hearings and be calling witnesses to come forward and tell us what happened. We need the witnesses to come forward. Yes.
And there has been a report done by the police already, and it's at the Attorney General's office, if I'm not mistaken. Will that be like a secondary source that you will be using for your...
Sure. We will get as much information as we can, and we will be asking people to come forward and give us all the documentation we need. And of course, we have the powers to compel people to appear before us, to produce any documentation, whatever is available. I know the incident happened in 2024, so some time has passed, but we will obviously be calling on everyone to come forward and give us the information. We need as much information to be able to give a full investigation on what exactly happened.
You've just said that you will be going in a meeting to get your term
We're
of
about
reference.
to
But
get...
do you have an idea when you will exactly start working and conclude
We start today.
everything?
We're working today. We're going into a meeting right now. So our work starts today. We've been sworn in and everything starts today. So obviously it's early stages. They're waiting for me to start now. We're going to talk about it, review very closely what our terms of reference are and who we need to start talking to, what documents we need to start looking at.
When are you expecting to conclude?
I believe our period is 6 months. So, we have a limit of 6 months. So by 6 months, the end of 6 months, we have to give a report to the President.
And any message for the people that you will be calling to make sure that they feel at ease to come to the commission and give out anything that they have?
Perhaps to say that, they will be protected. They have the protection of the law. Anybody who comes forward to tell us what happened, they have protection. So we will ensure that. And we want the people to trust us, that we will do the best we will do to investigate into exactly what happened.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.